They say that great design is a balance between beauty and function, as if function is ugly by definition. But of course it isn't, right? All of nature is beautiful. I think it's beautiful. But nature is pure function. Pure function. So the greatest beauty in the world is from function.
When we study nature, the first thing it does is it makes you extremely humble. And I think that causes me to let the solutions become apparent on their own. The material choice should happen on its own. How it should look, it should evolve based on what its performance needs to be. At the end of the day, studying nature really helps me keep perspective and also let the solutions naturally resolve themselves. We actually found inspiration in the exoskeleton, the shell of the lobster. What happens is the shell moves in total harmony with the organism inside. And we're saying, well, isn't that what furniture does, actually? When you're sitting in your office, you should be able to move freely and not feel like you're sitting in this object that's not attached to your body. So we've created the shells and the surfacing to actually relate directly to your body, similar to how an exoskeleton will articulate against the body. So it moves truly in harmony with the body. First thought for Trea was really how can we make the simplest chair, but we know we needed more aspects of it. The back needs to move because your body moves. And then we wanted the chair to roll. We wanted it to be more dynamic as the body is in collaboration. So all these aspects started to shape what this chair needed to be. People are working differently. It's not classical any longer. It's not about the mahogany workspaces anymore. It's really about that younger, smarter, faster dynamic. So what we're trying to do is create this chair that allows you to be flexible, to roll, to meet, to connect. It's not impeding anything. It's more about having that interchangeability and that flexibility, but not relinquishing comfort or performance. The collaboration with Humanscale is a really fascinating process for me because they provide muscle power and strength that we don't have in-house here, and we feel we complement their team. So it really was this collaboration. We're setting up targets that are really difficult to hit, and their engineers are really, really good, and they're able to figure it out.
Taking a product to production is a collaborative effort, and it's never one person sitting down and just working 16-hour days. It's always pulling Todd in there, but also pulling in the manufacturing engineering, the tooling engineer, the molders, and being able to tap into all of that knowledge, draw from it, and feed that back to the designer and say, here are different options. I think the beauty of the chair really lies in the solid state mechanism, and it's a very comfortable mechanism to sit in, and it gives you really nice support and it's got a great feel to it. The chair is really kind of designed around that main function, and the aesthetics comes from there.
This was the first ever little model of this chair, and we said, how can we get these two pieces to articulate relative to the body? And we wanted to put this technology in a way that you can't see it. So we started with the idea of like a kind of hockey puck, and this hockey puck would twist. Credit to the engineering team who was able to pack down that technology into such a simple, low-cost package. We've designed it from the inside out. We're able to develop this chair that really brought a new lightweight language to the industry. We have now this comfort and flexibility in a chair that's beautiful and that's without mechanisms, without dials and knobs. It's just so simple, and I think that's what's revolutionary about it.